ऑल्सो आई होप यू रिमेंबर कि लास्ट व्लॉग में मैंने बोला था कि आई वेंट फॉर अ आई टेस्ट एंड देयर आई फाउंड आउट दैट समथिंग रॉन्ग. So this. Hello, good morning. Welcome to another vlog. I'm very happy. I'm loving vlogging these days. I tell you honestly. And today is not a Monday, but we have to get that Monday energy right in because I have a lot of work to do. So basically, today is Good Friday, and today is 18th, if I'm not wrong. Of course, 18th. So this is 18th of April. I woke up very late in the morning, around 10, because last night I slept at around 3. I know it's not at all मतलब advisable. Advice तो दूर की बात, it's not at all good for your health right there then. But when you are working alone, you are the single person doing everything right there. Sometimes it gets so crazy, but you have to do. This task demands a lot of energy, a lot of high spirit rather. So does every other task, but I don't know of them. I know what I am doing, so I can tell. Let me tell you, a lot of things are happening. Last night I was doing this back and forth and conversation with this brand. Not night पे नहीं, तो conversation evening पे ही हो गया. उसके बाद I was just discussing with some of my friends that regarding the commercials and all, because I tell you, BTS is super fine, super interesting and overwhelming sometimes. So I just want to capture all of them. It is 12 o'clock and मैं सुबह उठ के 10 बजे उठी हूँ, बहुत late. And उसके बाद से I'm doing admin work itself. I can tell you guys, I'm growing guys, I'm growing. Also, did you see? This is my nails I did last night. मैं बैठ के I was doing this meeting and then I did my nails as well. So this is the nails I have done. Also it's rainy in the morning. Any rainy days just cheer me up to the next level. So happy. But पहले कुछ खा लेते हैं. I'm very hungry. So let's go. मैं खाने जा रही थी breakfast करने, but mom has already sent me. So this is what I'm eating. I will show you all. These are the puris, aloo dum and Rasgulla. I'm typical Bengali, in case you know or don't know, or you must be knowing out of my accent. So this is the aloo dum, this is puri and Rasgulla, of course. So this is what my breakfast look like today. It's super unusual. You can see the change of place definitely. मैं घर पे आई हूँ because I have this important shoot right there. So घर पे the things are very aesthetically pleasing according to me because मैंने नहीं बनाया. लेकिन this room is of my brother's as of now where I'm working. He's not there, he does not live here, and yeah, that is something. He will come to visit us, but again he will go, so I'm utilizing it all. Let me quickly eat, see something because I'm watching Friends.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, I'm just working non-stop and just look how the outside look like. I feel like to take a break, but I cannot. Absolutely I cannot, because so much of admin work lately. But look at it, just look at this. Wait, how dark outside is, I just can't tell you. Oh my god, can you see? It is insane. Maybe you are seeing it much brighter here, but with my real natural eyes without lenses, it's so gloomy. I feel like I just lie down and read my Harry Potter, but definitely we can't. It's crazy. It's crazy. It's very dark. It will auto adjust my lenses, but it's so dark. Okay. Oh my god. Oh no, you can't see. So it's मुझे ना वो स्कूल के दिन याद आ गया जिसमें ऐसे मैथ सर या एनी टीचर यूज्ड टू टीच अस और ऐसे ही ग्लूमी वेदर होता था. आई लव इट. एंड सब लोग हम भाग रहे इधर उधर एंड सडनली द लाइट्स गोज ऑफ स्कूल के टाइम में. वो कुछ अलग ही किस्म का ब्रो. आई कांट टेल यू हाउ ब्यूटिफुल this weather just looks. I look terrible, don't judge me on my look right now, but it is insane. Okay, so dark. पूरा रूम में से डार्क हो चुका है, कुछ ही नहीं दिखाई दे. And also it looks like so gloomy. I like it. Love it. Let me work. I cannot spell. And this is how my room look like. मैं अभी इसको सफाई चल रहा है. Half I done, rest half I have to do. But yeah, I think I should get a cup of tea and start working again. So let me do that. Bye.
The next morning.
Okay, hello, it's the next day. Good afternoon. It's what? It is 19th of April, Saturday. So yesterday I show you all that I came home, and yesterday I did all the admin works and some edits. Could not complete my tasks like I scheduled for. I thought tomorrow I will upload a video, a Garo review wala video, but that didn't happen. I had to book the tickets because next month, let me tell you out. So the next month I'm going to Punjab to my college to get my master's degree, and वो convocation अभी मतलब last moment में they let us know, so we have to go, and it's only few days left. So I quickly booked the tickets, me and all of my friends, those who are going, not all but then those who can and able to. तो शाम को मैंने बैठ के पूरा टिकट्स की. एक तो टिकट में इतना गलती हो गई कि आई हैड टू रीडू इट, सो दैट वी हैव डन. सो दैट इज कंप्लीटेड. इनिशियली आई वाज वेरी डाउटफुल दैट आई वुड एबल टू गो और नॉट, बट समहाउ आई पुल्ड इट. आई मैनेज्ड. Can you see I have full face of makeup on because I shot a video right now, and yeah, that is pretty much. And सुबह से मैंने कल वाला जो वीडियो डालनी थी वो मैंने एडिट कंप्लीट नहीं की. हाँ, कंप्लीट हो गया, सिर्फ वॉइस ओवर भी बाकी है. वो आज जाना ही है. एनीवेज आई हैव टू पुट दिस टुडे इटसेल्फ, एंड द व्लॉग ऑल्सो आई डिड ऑफ लास्ट week that I will be putting on Tuesday. Yeah, that is the agenda as of now. So I will complete it all the tasks today itself. Tomorrow we are going out again because I haven't met my friends for a long time now, so we will do that. I don't know if I can. I will vlog a little bit because I'm very new to it and I'm quite shy, but anyways we will do that, and I will show you. I will take you along with me as well. Evening mein I will make the thumbnail and I will upload the video. So we are very good done for the week. Next week का देखा जाएगा, ठीक है? So yeah, also if every collabs are happening, you're gonna see some amazing content as in BTS, and मेरे चैनल पे तो आप देखोगे कि कौन सा नया कोलैबोरेशन आई एम वर्किंग आउट. आई एम super hopeful, and yeah, let's see what happens. So I will catch you all soon. Also, I hope you remember कि last vlog में मैंने बोला था कि I went for a eye test, and there I found out that something wrong in my left eye right there. I don't know if you can see the difference, but it is very much visible. It's that I have a small cyst developed right here, and it's not painful. It's I don't know how to explain that, but it is getting bigger and bigger, and if you see, I think it's visible because I find it quite bigger. It's growing, and I don't know, they said if that bothers me, I need to do a surgery. So what you can see, can you find it out, the difference? Basically I got it right here, and I don't know, it's new thing, it's very new to me. Cyst right in eye, I have never had it before. Facing one, I don't know how to really tackle with that. It's okay, we will figure it out. Positivity. send me positivity more. I need. Okay, bye. Is it visible much? Actually, here I have. It is white.
One eternity later.
It's a Monday, it's 21st of April. Now I'm doing my breakfast early in the morning. I woke up at 8:30 and currently I'm reading the Harry Potter Part 3. It's The Prisoners of Azkaban and I'm gonna finish it within this month itself, and I'm really enjoying it. My reading habits has been grown a lot. So for the breakfast today, I'll be having this beetroot roll. So basically, it's a paratha outside made up of wheat, and inside I have this beetroot, carrot, and cheese. It's a filling and kind of a roll situation that I love. It's the most yummiest. It tastes like some vegetable cutlet or so, but it tastes so good. The whole day went on editing, so that's why I didn't vlog a much that day, and also it was raining and thundering, not raining, it was thundering at night. So it was, this vlog is pretty much of the update vlog. I hope you like it. I don't know how it went. Okay, so this is how it look like. I have ordered 3 or 2 of them and also another kind of organizer as well. इसमें तो पूरा भर गया. I need to organize, but अभी भी जितना सामान मुझे यहाँ पर चाहिए वो I kept it here because these are the things I need on a regular basis. ये भी जो सारा container है, this too I will change because I don't like, so I will replace this one with this or another type of container that I ordered. So this is pretty much of the update of my shelves right now. नीचे सारे PR boxes जो इस बार I received and also कुछ मैंने सिर्फ रखा, बाकी तो मैंने discard कर दिया. This is my another laptop I got, and yeah, pretty much it. I need to organize it more, so that is pretty much the update. Okay, so I forgot to take the outro of this video, so I'm doing it currently. Also, this shelf is giving me such a hard time, I can't tell you. So I'm thinking that I need to paint it out, then it will look better. It's black now, and places the wrappers in already turned out, and some places the wrappers is still on, so it kind of became rusty at different places. So I'm thinking to do a total painting situation. I don't know as of now what it gonna look like and what the final result it will be, but in next vlog I will definitely try to show you all. So yeah, also the organizers more I ordered, that will come and eventually, but these shelves are being cleared. Okay, so that's pretty much of it. Next vlog gonna be super interesting because I'm meeting my favorite YouTuber right there, so can't wait to show you all. I went to the Wishcase office recently, and yeah, that is pretty much of it. That's it for this vlog. I will see you guys super soon in my next vlog. Till then, I love you all so very much. Bye.